So Mikey, what are we gonna do today?
We're gonna go into town and walk around, and I don't know.
Sounds like a good plan to me. We are going to go downtown and see where the town takes us and what we can find to do and who we might and might not see.
Yeah, we might get a beer.
Yep.
I don't know.
I'm gonna say yes. There she is.
Yeah, we're getting into town now.
Here's the home of the Tennessee Titans football field. We're having a parking adventure.
Yes.
Mixed up with the one-way streets of Nashville.
It's the joy of driving into the city rather than taking a shuttle bus, which there is a shuttle bus that leaves from the campground.
Every hour.
Every hour. It's very convenient.
It is very convenient. No parking needed.
Instead, we do this because it's inconvenient.
Yep, because we like to live dangerously.
Well, you know, it's an adventure, right?
Yeah. It's not too bad.
So why walk around the city when you can just drive in an air-conditioned vehicle?
Haha, all you suckers.
Although they're going faster than we are.
This is true. They're definitely passing us. Look at them go. There's that parking lot again.
Yes,
It only took us 15 minutes to come back to it. Here we go. We did it.
Yeah.
Well, I shouldn't say we. I'm sorry. Mike did it. I assisted with commentary.
There's parking garages and stuff all over. Like there's one right there, big one, multi-level parking garage. But it's such a pain. It's a pain.
Yeah, so we found an outdoor one. We got a spot. There's a handful of other spots here, so it's not like we had to fight. So now we gotta pay, and then we're gonna hit the town.
I can only blame myself.
You could blame me too, but I wasn't looking at the map.
Yeah.
But
oh well, it is what it is. We're here.
we're here. We are back in the truck after our adventures downtown.
Yeah, we spent a couple hours checking things out. I got a cheeseburger.
Yeah, we got lunch and a craft beer that was brewed there. What was the name of that place?
Rock Bottom.
Rock Bottom, yeah. It was actually a really good beer, and we had an awesome view. We ate on the rooftop, and we got pretty hot, but it was awesome.
Yeah.
I'm not regretting that decision one bit. So
yeah, if you come to Nashville, make sure you got deep pockets.
well, any big city, really.
Right. I considered buying another pair of boots just because I got my work boots and then I wanted just another pair of boots.
Right.
But I don't want to spend $200
Yeah.
on a pair of boots that's like $110 everywhere else. Call me cheap. We did pay $18 to park.
2 hours.
Yeah, for 2 hours. The lunch was $30. I mean, it's just expensive.
It's expensive, just like anything else. But we're using this as a vacation, not as like we're full-timing prep. This is a vacation.
Right. We're just enjoying being here. So whatever it costs is like,
Right. Enjoy yourself, pretty much, is what we're trying to get at with this trip. Of which we've done very well so far. And to be honest, it really hasn't been that expensive. We are kind of frugal as it is, so that helps out in those types of expenditures.
Yeah, I'm surprised. I haven't figured it up this far yet, but the fuel really hasn't cost us that much. I think we spent $285 in fuel to get all the way down to Texas.
Yeah.
So it's not bad.
Yeah, so we had a good time in downtown. We're gonna head back to the campground. We're gonna hit up the pool, possibly the hot tub. We'll see how we feel.
Yeah, it's 92 degrees.
We'll see how the pool feels. That's how Mike determines it. If the pool's anywhere slightly near chilly, he will say no.
Don't judge me.
We are on the road, just left the Nashville KOA.
Yep, Interstate 65 northbound. It was a good time.
It was a very good time. It was well worth it, and that is probably one of the nicest KOAs that we've stayed at to date.
I would say it's probably the nicest we've ever stayed at. It doesn't really reflect a KOA in any way.
Yeah, I mean, not all of their sites are like fabulous, but a lot of them are. You're gonna pay a price for it, but it is well worth it. They have a big lobby area. They have a lot of outdoor games. They have hammocks for people to use outside, big pool and hot tub area. So they have a lot of amenities. Plus, a lot of their sites have the big fire pits and the concrete patio with the furniture. So
Every site is full hookup.
yeah.
I would 2 thumbs up, 5 stars.
Yeah, I'd give that one a 5 stars as well. Everyone is always very nice. So if you're going through Nashville, I would definitely recommend their KOA for sure. Check them out.
Yeah, it's the Nashville KOA off of Music City Drive, because there's a
Right.
couple KOAs in the area.
Yeah, it's the one on the north side on the loop. But
Yeah, it's Route 155.
Yeah, 155.
Take the Music City Drive exit, I guess.
We'll link it below so you guys know which specific one we're talking about if you're unaware. So anyway, we are going north.
Yeah, don't say south.
We're not going south anymore. Oh, gotta check myself. So we're headed towards Kentucky. And we don't know what we're gonna do, where we're gonna stay, but we're gonna find some place.
Yeah, we could end up in Kentucky, we could end up in Ohio, we don't know.
Nope. That shouldn't be a surprise. We are pulling up to our campground tonight.
Yeah, free camping. Well, we got generator set for round 2. Nah. We're sad.